Once upon a time, in a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young man named Aiden. Aiden had always been curious about life and its mysteries. He had a sincere desire to grow and increase his value to the world. One sunny morning, Aiden heard of a wise Buddhist monk who resided atop a nearby mountain. The monk, named Master Kavi, was known for his profound teachings on self-discovery and personal growth. Intrigued by the monk's reputation, Aiden decided to seek his guidance. With determination in his heart, Aiden began the journey to the mountain. The path was steep and filled with challenges, but he persevered, driven by the thought of gaining valuable insights from Master Kavi. After a long and arduous climb, Aiden reached the serene monastery where Master Kavi lived. The monk welcomed him with a warm smile. Sensing Aiden's eagerness to learn, Aiden humbly bowed and introduced himself. "Welcome, young traveler. I sense a deep yearning for growth within you." Master Kavi said kindly, "Stay with me, and I will guide you on a journey that will help you discover the path to increasing your value. My dear friend, embrace simplicity. Value lies not in material possessions, but in contentment and simplicity. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle, free yourself from unnecessary desires, and find joy in the little things. Cultivate inner peace. Develop a daily practice of meditation and self-reflection. Inner peace is a source of strength that empowers you to face life's challenges with a calm and clear mind. Serve others. Your value grows when you extend kindness and compassion to those in need. Selflessly serve others, for in helping them, you discover the true meaning of life." The old monk explained further, "Learn from nature. Observe the beauty and wisdom of nature. Learn from its cycles and rhythms, and recognize your interconnectedness with all living beings. Practice mindfulness. Be fully present in each moment. Cultivate mindfulness to appreciate." Aiden nodded with gratitude and embarked on a journey of self-discovery under Master Kavi's guidance. He began his days with meditation, learning to still his mind and find inner peace. Master Kavi taught him that true value came from understanding oneself and cultivating a calm and focused mind. One day, while taking a walk through the monastery's lush gardens, Aiden saw a wounded bird struggling on the ground. Without hesitation, he carefully picked up the bird and brought it to Master Kavi. "Master, what can we do to help this little bird?" Aiden asked with concern. Master Kavi smiled and said, "Compassion is a priceless virtue, my dear Aiden. Let us tend to the bird's wounds and provide it with a safe haven until it's ready to fly again." Aiden and Master Kavi tended to the bird together, and over time, the bird healed and regained its strength. Seeing the bird's recovery, Aiden realized that helping others, even in small ways, added value to his own life. As the months went by, Aiden continued to learn from Master Kavi. He studied ancient teachings, practiced mindfulness, and engaged in conversations that broadened his perspective. He also discovered the joy of simplicity and found that true value was often found in the little things. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and stay blessed.